Cooking, calm down, calm down, calm down. What's happening here? What's going on? Why are you eating the broccoli like that? And what is on your head? I was prepared to cook delicious food today. See, I already wore my chef hat, and I just checked my fridge. It's only this useless broccoli I found that someone gave me. What will I do with this broccoli now?
Chef hat.
What will I do?
So you think it's by wearing the hat that you have recipes
now,
that you know how to
Is that not what you chefs wear?
And who told you that broccoli is the useless vegetable?
Broccoli is the useless vegetable. I'm the one telling you.
Can make something delicious with this broccoli.
Yes. See, I still don't believe that you can do something delicious with this broccoli. So try, Sha. You share some of us, Abi.
Broccoli is really good for you. It's nutritional.
Yes. Broccoli, delicious.
I'll make something delicious.
Okay, I'm watching.
And trust me, you carry the plate.
So if it's delicious, I'll take the full plate.
Hello everyone, I'm Chef Menu and welcome to my channel. Here I teach home cooks how to make healthy and delicious meals. If you're ready to learn healthy recipes, easy recipes that are beginner friendly, click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today, I'm going to convince Homecook that broccoli can taste delicious. Let's begin. For this recipe, we'll be using some broccoli, garlic, spring onion, and lemon zest, the zest and the juice.
super crunchy.